Welcome to Sensera Systems, a company built on the needs of construction professionals like you. Our simple, turnkey solutions improve productivity, collaboration, security, risk, safety, and project marketing, all on a single, comprehensive, intuitive platform using a proven real-time site intelligence system comprised of integrated compact solar wireless cameras. Trusted by over 1,000 GCs and municipalities, Sensera Systems customers have come to rely on our ease of use. In fact, we've changed the game for job site cameras, providing freedom of placement and simple DIY installation, completely independent of the job site infrastructure. No power, no internet, no problem. Simply deploy our pre-configured solution in any location on the most remote job site, and we do the rest. By capturing imagery and analytics from a variety of sources, Sensera provides actionable intelligence that seamlessly integrates into leading construction workflows and management systems, allowing you to collaborate with on-site project managers and remote stakeholders, access real-time video, images, and motion-triggered alerts day or night, quickly assess compliance with safety requirements and identify potential risks, and capture stunning automated time-lapse videos to show your quality work and win new business. Sensera Systems. Simple, affordable, real-time site intelligence.